Now the first thing we are going to do is to create our table of products with their KPIs. So I'm going to do the following. I'm going to create a new workbook, new blank workbook. Okay, then I create and then I have to do something similar to this one. Basically I'm gonna copy this. One product, two. I'm gonna type here 1, 2, and if I take this, I just select this area. I'm gonna drag this down until 100. You see on the right, I am displayed which product I have. Okay, here we have created this. Okay, because Excel recognizes that I'm dragging here a series of numbers which are sequential, and the same is here for the product name. Okay, then I should copy these values here. I can also create the following as an exercise: random decimals. I'm gonna drag this down and I'm gonna copy. Now here I'm going to do the same. Okay. And I'm gonna copy, paste the values only. I'm going to do the same here. I'm gonna paste this in these two parts. Now I'm going to Ctrl-Shift-Arrow down, copy and paste values. I'm going to do the following here. I'm going to select all, Ctrl-Shift-Arrow down and copy, Ctrl-C, paste special values. Random values just for our exercise. Well, we forgot to first column. Values. If you remember, we have the percentage, so we're going to do random only. Okay, here you see that the values are this. Okay, it's only 2. Sorry, I'll copy this space special values, and the same is for this. Copy, paste special value. Format here, home, format as table. Click on this, and we're gonna click on any of this. Our table, here we are. We have created our table. Again, we can also change the format if you want. This one. Now I'm gonna select all this part, double click, we create our table. I'm gonna save my file and I'm done.